Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. We have what? Igbo language. Yes. Still on our topic. Preposition. Class, repeat after me. Preposition. Yes. Mbuzo. Today we are going to look into a topic that says pass over under preposition. Class, repeat after me. Pass over. Again, pass over. In Igbo, pass over means gafe n'elu. Again, gafe n'elu. Pass over. Gafe n'elu. You can see this aeroplane I drew on the board. Don't mind my draw, you know. You can draw better than my own, okay? Let's see them in sentences. Sentence number 1A. It says, aeroplane passed over today. I'll say that, class. Aeroplane passed over today. Aeroplane passed over today. In Igbo, it simply means ụgbọelu gafere n'elu tata. Ụgbọelu gafere n'elu tata. Ụgbọelu gafere n'elu tata. You can see it flying. Okay? Another sentence. You can see these two birds. They are passing over this roof, this building. Let us see them in sentences. Sentence 2A says, two birds pass over the roof now. Two birds pass over the roof now. You can see the two birds passing over the roof. Two birds pass over the roof now. Class, repeat after me. Two birds passed over the roof now. Again. Two birds passed over the roof now. In Igbo, it means nnụnụ abụọ gafere n'elu ụlọ ugbu a. Nnụnụ abụọ gafere n'elu ụlọ ugbu a. Class, can I ask you a question? How many birds passed over the roof? How many birds passed over the roof? Two birds passed over the roof. Can you na asụsụ anyị asụsụ Igbo? Ndị klas anyị, nnụnụ ole gafere n'elu ụlọ ugbu a? Nnụnụ ole gafere n'elu ụlọ ugbu a? Nnụnụ abụọ gafere n'elu ụlọ ugbu a. You can see the two birds passing over the roof. You have known that Passover in Igbo, it means gafe n'elu. Gafe n'elu. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.